Today we will learn how to add images and photos to your designs and how to add frames and grids. Click on Create a Design, then search Card. So this is your canvas. From here, you can change your file name. Just click on it. Now start typing. So click on Elements. Now scroll down. So here you will see frames and grids. Let's talk about frames. Here you will see a lot of type of frames. You can select any of them. Now again click on Elements. Let's select any of the photos. I'm searching about food. Here you will see a lot of photos here for you. You can search any type of photo you want to add. Let's search food. Here you will see a lot of photos here for you. You can search any type of photo you want to add. Let's search food. Now to add the image into the frame, simply click and drag on the frame. You will see the picture is in the frame now. And if you want to add another photo, you simply click and drag on the frame. And if you want to crop the image, just double click on it. Now from here you can resize your image. And you can also click on a smart crop. It will automatically crop your image smartly. Now if you don't want the image, you can simply right click, then click on detach image. Now let's talk about grids. So grids is used to create collages. You can make photo collage from it. Here you will find a lot of layouts. You can select any of them. Okay, so now I'm searching about food and make a collage of it. Now again simply select the image and drag on the frame. Double click on it to move your image or resize your image. Now try it by yourself.